Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. Today's video 30 stocks with low volatility but high returns. By nature, stock markets are very volatile. There are ups and downs always. This volatility is not easy to face, especially if you are a new investor. In order to provide investors with a list of low volatility stocks, NSE has created Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 Index, which contains 30 stocks with lowest volatility in the last 1 year. It selects the 30 least volatile stocks out of the top 100 stocks in NSE based on market cap. Such stocks may be also suitable for slightly older investors whose age is 55 years plus, since they may not be mentally ready to face significant variation in their portfolio value. Ideally, the best situation is when a stock is less volatile but provides high returns. Many of the following stocks are less volatile but have provided high returns for shareholders in the long term. It shows that a stock need not move significantly every day in order to give good returns in the long term. Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 Index, I have put the list of stocks and the percentage returns for 5 years and 10 years. I have put the names of the companies in alphabetical order. Asian Paints 5 years returns 20% per annum, 10 years 21% per annum. Bajaj Auto 17% and 12%. Berger Paints 17%, 24%. Bosch 3% and 9%. Britannia Industries 11% and 27%. Cipla 19% and 12%. Colgate 13%, 14%. Dabur 6% and 13%. Dr. Reddy's 16 and 9. HCL Tech 23 and 17%. HDFC Bank 10%, 17%. Hero MotoCorp 4% and 6%. Hindustan Unilever 7% and 16%. ICICI Bank 24% and 17%. ITC 10% and 8%. Indian Oil Corporation 6% and 13%. Kotak Mahindra Bank 9% and 17%. Larsen & Toubro 20% and 17%. Marico 8% and 18%. NTPC 20% and 9%. Nestle 18%, 17%. Pidilite Industries 18% in the last 5 years and 10 years returns 24% per annum. Power Grid Corporation 18% and 15%. Reliance Industries 20% and 20%. Wherever you feel that you want to see the data more carefully, you can pause the video and watch it. SBI Life Insurance 21% for 5 years. 10 years back it was not listed on the stock market. Sun Pharma 24%, 8%. TCS 13%, 14%. Torrent Pharma 20%, 13%. Ultratech Cement 19% and 18%. Wipro 11% and 8%. So the average is 14.83% for 5 years returns and 10 years returns for all the stocks 15.27%. As you can see, on an average, even low volatile stocks index has a capacity to give around 14 to 15% returns in the long term, irrespective of having many stocks which are underperforming and not doing well. So it is still better than the traditional instruments such as bank FD, post office deposits, etc. The risk taken in such stocks is slightly lower compared to usual high volatile stocks. There are some ETFs through which we can invest in the stocks of the Nifty 100 Low Volatility 30 Index. Similarly, there is another index called Nifty 200 Momentum 30, which tracks the movement of 30 high momentum stocks across large cap and mid cap. So this will have a lot of fluctuation but lot of momentum either way, and so it depends on the risk of the investors on which stock they should invest. So there are many new approaches to investing. As an investor, you can study and take a decision based on your preferences and risk appetite on how you want to allocate your savings in various investment options. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if there are two stocks giving almost similar returns but one stock is very volatile and the other has low volatility, which one would you choose? More volatile or less volatile? Mention your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel if not yet done so. Thank you. Bye bye.